Honeycomb Aerospace is a professional high-tech company specializing in independent development, design, production, sales, technical training, and after-sales service of unmanned systems and related software and hardware systems. The company has deeply engaged in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, accumulated a number of scientific research achievements and related technologies, and gradually formed products with independent intellectual property rights, such as a series of industrial application unmanned aerial vehicles, airborne equipment and other products. Our company is headquartered in Beijing. It is National High-Tech Enterprise, Zhongguancun High-Tech Enterprise, and SRDI, Specialized, Refinement, Differential and Innovation Enterprise. Combined with geographical advantages, set up a number of subsidiaries across the country. The test service base is located in Nanyang. It is the first batch of National Low-Altitude Open Demonstration Zone of the CAAC, with the whole process of production, test and serviceability. The production R&D base is located in Tianjin. It has a production R&D integrated plant of 3,200 square meters. The big data service base is located in Wuhu, providing high-quality data services for Honeycomb users. The industry application demonstration base is located in Hangzhou, creating typical industry application cases and perfect solutions. Honeycomb Aerospace has invention patents, utility model patents, appearance patents, software copyrights, trademarks and other intellectual property rights. More than 100 items in total. Create multi-dimensional products with ingenuity. Now we have multi-rotor series, fixed wing series, composite wing series, intelligent unmanned airport series and helicopter series, etc. Among them, the core products include oil-electric hybrid UAV that can span 100 kilometers across the ocean, SU intelligent composite wing unmanned airport, large load and long endurance, UAV with special equipment, and large UAV customization. It also has derivative products, unmanned command vehicle, and UAV interception system. In the face of complex environments and emergencies, it can have an immediate effect. In terms of software, create an integrated platform for intelligent space remote sensing monitoring, which supports customer personalized customization, and can be privately deployed to ensure customers' information and data security. The company's business generally includes civil military integration, intelligence security, comprehensive inspection, and other industries, specifically including nuclear radiation safety, military scientific research, city security, oil and gas pipelines inspection, emergency communication, etc. Our company has established cooperative relations with COSIC, CNPC and other well-known enterprises. While continuing to consolidate the dominant position in the domestic market, we actively expand overseas markets. With a number of domestic and international customers, we have conducted in-depth exchanges and signed cooperation programs. In the future, Honeycomb Aerospace will continue to work hard in the field of unmanned systems and strive to becoming the industry's first unmanned system and service provider, providing customers with high-quality, closed-loop solutions and a complete service system.